Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best wood folding tables that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Lifetime Folding Table. This adjustable table is a favorite for camping trips, parties, and workstations. One reviewer, an avid camper in northern Minnesota, writes, "After a year of using this table around the house for various projects, and many camping trips, it still is living up to its name. Lifetime. I am 6 foot and my wife is 5 feet 4 inches, and we both find the upper height of this table perfect for cooking on." Another reviewer who uses the table when homeschooling her son likes that it can grow with him. "Love this table. There are 3 different height levels, so as he grows, the table can too. We are on the 2nd height right now and it's perfect." Other reviewers love that the table is lightweight and easy for one person to set up alone. "I use this folding table as my computer desk. I know, crazy, but I can't move big furniture around. I can't lift heavy things. I type on it, eat on it, paint on it." Moving on at number 4, we have Adams Manufacturing Side Table. For its size, this little table has a ton of dedicated fans. Most reviewers say they like using it on their porch or in their backyard because it's portable and nice looking. "I have a tiny porch where I sit and enjoy my coffee while watching my neighbors play or walk past," one person writes. "There's plenty of space for your cup and a friend's cup, should I have someone over. It matches your chairs and won't be ruined by the weather." But according to this reviewer, it's also great for camping trips. "I would give this table 20 stars if I could. I needed a lightweight, portable table for my cross-country 3-week camping road trip. This table was perfect. It was sturdy regardless of the surface it was placed on, even inside the tent, over sand." And another reviewer likes using it as a grill table. "I put all your utensils and plates of food on it when they're waiting to be cooked, then move the cooked food over to the patio table." At number 3, we have Costco Signature Centerfold Table. Almost every reviewer mentioned how easy this folding table is to carry thanks to the built-in handle. Take this reviewer, who also appreciates the locking mechanism. "The handle is extremely nice for carrying and there is a side tab that keeps the table locked shut when not in use." More than a few reviewers use this table for displaying their goods at craft fairs. "I bought 2 of these tables as display tables for your wife's craft shows. The tables are very easy to set up, light, solid, and durable. I would definitely buy these again." Another reviewer advises shoppers to buy this table before the price goes up. "This is a really good table. No jokes here, it's sturdy, it's roomy, and it's so easy to fold up and put away. Carried it downstairs by myself. Buy this table before they raise the price." At number 2, we have Lifetime Fold in Half Banquet Table. Reviewers loved the extra table space this provides and how sturdy it is. One reviewer writes, "I put about 400 pounds centralized to 4 positions on this table and it holds it just fine, very stable." Another reviewer mentions how easy it is to fold in half and store when not in use. "We have borrowed 8-foot tables that do not fold in half, and it's always more than just a hateful chore. These tables are very durable and easy to load in a car trunk. I can foresee these lasting a lifetime." Not every reviewer uses this long table for large gatherings. "The table holds my 2 computers, 3 monitors, a printer, telephone, and 2 cubbies perfectly. Plus, it could hold me if I wanted to sit on it." And finally at number 1, Flash Furniture Kids Folding Table. According to the reviews, this kid-sized folding table and chair set is super versatile and heavy-duty. Kids and grandkids find the most wonderful ways to use this colorful set. They eat on it, they use it to play store, as a kitchen, or as a place to play games or puzzles, writes one reviewer. Another happy customer notes the safety features. "High quality, nice padding on chairs and table. Especially happy with the safety features. No worries that table or chairs will collapse unexpectedly. But overall, people who reviewed this item like it because their kids like it. My grandkids use this every day for eating and play. Fits perfectly in the kitchen. Also travels well for outside use. Sized for shared spaces in your daycare, preschool, kitchen, bedroom or kids' playroom. This toddler table set will help your growing child become more independent. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.